500 holes in here. I don't know why it's not shooting correctly.
That one shot. Now it's shot.
Don't could take. Can you push the board in? So it's not. This isn't winding up right. I can tell.
There you go.
No, it's not even slapping nails, dude.
What?
It's punching. It's just not slapping nails.
That's the second one you're filming. That's not good.
See how you see the nail? The next nail's going into it. So I don't know why the striker's hitting and not pushing a nail. All right, so we're gonna get some oil on the tensioner. I think that's the problem. The tensioner is dirty or something. It's not letting it strike right. It's not keeping the tension on the nail. Marvel mystery oil in this rail. Hand me the gun so we can do both. I don't know if we got dust in here or what's going on. Yeah, there's not a lot of tension. I just think that slide's dirty. And without the tension, it's like, you see that plunger's hit right there. 2-3 drops, that's it. Take these back out. You got those for a second? It's not a bounce.
They actually go through?
It worked perfect.
Okay.
I said not go to the side of it. Not too high with that one.
Okay.